Standard 7th Subject English. 1.3 Little girls wiser than old people. Leo Tolstoy was one of the greatest authors of all time. He authored many novels, short stories, and philosophical works. His ideas on non-violence had influenced great men like Mahatma Gandhi and Martin Luther King. Junior Tolstoy wrote many stories for children. This is one of them. Activity: warming up. Form groups of 4 to 6. Each member should write at least 5 reasons why fights occur. Example: 2 children want the same toy. Put together the different reasons written by all group members to make a longer list. कृतीसाठी सूचना: 6 गट करा. प्रत्येक सदस्याने भांडण किंवा मारामारी का होते याची किमान 5 कारणे लिहा. उदाहरणार्थ 2 मुलांना समान खेळणे हवे आहे. सर्व गटांनी लिहिलेल्या वेगवेगळ्या कारणांची यादी एकत्रितपणे ठेवून सदस्यांनी लांबलचक यादी तयार करा. Now, group first will read out their list while other groups compare it with their list. Mark the common items and note down the new ones. Repeat the procedure with all other groups reading out their list. Now you will have a fairly long list of reasons. आता गट 1 त्यांची यादी वाचेल. दुसरा गट त्यांच्या यादीची तुलना स्वतःच्या यादीशी करेल. सारख्या बाबींना टिकमार्क करून नवीन बाबी आपल्या यादीत जोडेल. इतर सर्व गट यादी वाचनाची व तुलना करण्याची वरील प्रक्रिया पुन्हा करतील. आता आपल्याकडे बऱ्यापैकी कारणांची लांबलचक यादी असेल. तुम्ही तयार केलेल्या याद्यांतील क्षुल्लक भांडणे म्हणजे ट्रिवियल व गंभीर स्वरूपाची भांडणे म्हणजे सिरियस यांच्या कारणांचे वर्गीकरण या दिलेल्या तक्त्यांमध्ये करा. क्लासिफाय द रिझन्स इनटू ट्रिवियल अँड सिरियस वन्स using the table below. Answers: this is a picture from textbook page number 10. First, Toto forgot my birthday. It's a trivial reason. Second, Bittu's friend tells lies. It's a serious reason. Third, a person dumps garbage in the door of his or her neighbor. It's also serious reason. Fourth, a student pushes and knocks down his friend. It's a trivial reason. Fifth, old or ill couple is staying near your room. Your loudspeaker is playing throughout at night. It's a serious reason. All answers are given in this table. There are 5 reasons and their answers trivial or serious. Try to classify the reasons into trivial and serious ones using the table. Thank you.